The right brochure design can make a smartphone look even more impressive. Inside Canva, create a new brochure design and search for a technology or electronics brochure template. Select a modern layout with bold typography and strong visual sections. Upload your mobile phone images and place them into the template. Make sure the images clearly showcase the front, back, and key features of the device. Next, update the title with the phone model name. Now add sections for specifications such as display size, camera quality, battery life, storage capacity, and processor details. Use icons and graphics to visually highlight each feature.